Hey everyone, it's Dr. Barton here. Today I'm just going to briefly break down the second part of our Mac Scavenger Hunt, and I'll be putting this video, just like the last one, just kind of right in the description if you need a little bit more info or just a quick way to see what exactly it is that you are doing. So after we've gone through all the stuff in class and everything, I'll be directing you to this Canvas page. So at this point, we'll have talked a lot about some of the history of Mac computers, kind of how they work, why we use them a lot for music creation, all that kind of stuff. And then we're going to be starting to dive into actually using the devices and the program. So this is all very broad. Just can you navigate? Do you know a few handy shortcuts? Things like that. Can you properly open and close apps? Stuff of that nature. We'll get more practice as we go, but we're gonna kind of after this start focusing more on just how computers work more broadly, so you know, okay, where are you saving stuff and editing files and doing that, and then we'll be diving into the actual music programs. So we're getting there. We're starting at the base level. So for this assignment, there's a bullet list here of 10 different things. These are just some reminders on some instructions from there. But what you need to do is to go and take a screenshot of these 10 things and then attach those 10 images to this assignment. That's all we're doing right there. So the first one is just the desktop of the computer. Again, I'm not going to go through all that stuff. I mean, pretty basic, just the screen, no open programs, anything like that, just the desktop. As we go along, the dock. So again, I'm just looking for the dock, but with exactly 3 running programs on it, not including Finder. Remember, Finder is pretty much always just going, so 3 other programs open in the dock. I want to see a screenshot that shows me the current installed operating system version, as well as how much memory is installed in the computer. That'll be pretty straightforward. I've mentioned where to find that in class. We'll talk more about what exactly memory is in a computer later on, so don't worry about that, but it's all clearly labeled. There's a dictionary app. Find a random word, random definition in there. Take a screenshot of that. The terminal window. Take a screenshot of that. Don't type anything into there. Not that if you don't know what you're doing, it'll probably just give you an error, but better safe than sorry on that one. The force quit window, the trash can window, but it specifically emptied trash can. The sound settings, and then any 2 programs, I don't care what, but have them tiled so that way they're each taking up half the screen. There's several different ways to do this. The very last one is I want this image included. You can control click and save image, or if you actually just click here, you should be able to just download the file. I want you to open that in the program preview, but I specifically want it windowed, so you make it small, make it fit, so that way you can see the desktop behind the image. So again, it's not a full screen thing, but you should be able to see the image, the whole preview window, and stuff around it. And I just kind of go through some general things of, hey, here's how you get to that if you need a refresher. Once all of that's done, take all 10 of the screenshots, attach them to your submission for this assignment. You'll be good to go. You should be able to, but if for whatever reason you can't attach all 10 files, that's okay. What you'll do is add them to a compressed zip file and attach that instead. If you have questions about how to do that, you can ask me about it. It's straightforward. If you have all your files in the same folder, it's super easy. I'm not going to dedicate part of that to this assignment because that's only a if you need to kind of thing. You can also Google it. It's straightforward. If you have questions, let me know. Shoot me emails. Stop by my office hours. Heck, put a comment on the video, that kind of stuff. I'll answer it at that point. But that's all I'm looking for this assignment. So, if you have questions, and I'll see you when I see you.